we heading to today, Mother?
We are going to Jack's.
We're going to Jack's. Good morning, fabulous friends. Welcome to my fabulous life, where I take you on fabulous adventures of shopping, dining, makeup tutorials, traveling, and so much more. If that sounds like something that you'd like to watch, then please consider subscribing now and hit that notification bell to get notifications when I post other fabulous videos. So today we're heading to Jack's in Valley, Alabama, and to have a little bit of breakfast.
Breakfast.
Yes. And then we're also going to Walmart and take something back that Mom got yesterday.
Yes, my coffee pot. I missed my coffee.
Oh my goodness.
It's the glass carafe, whatever how you want to say it. It didn't fit.
Oh my
And
goodness.
it's supposed to be universal.
It was not. So we're going to do that. So let's get started. Now on with the show. So we're here at Jack's in Valley, Alabama, and I love this place. They are so sweet here. And I got my Diet Coke, because you know how I roll. And then my two cranky cohorts, they got their coffees, so they'll have some life put back into them, because she couldn't get the coffee thing that she bought yesterday to work. So got that going on. So I got my breakfast. Show you that a little bit better. Okay, I cannot. Yeah, let me turn this around. All right, fabulous friends. So here's my my grits with gravy in it and sausage. So let's have a little taste. Oh, that's really good. They always have the best grits, and I love their gravy. And then here's little hash browns. Look how cute they are.
Yeah, they're cute.
It's like little gold coins. Really good. I love the crunch on it. Excellent.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna get back to eating this, and then we'll see you soon. Hello, good morning. Good. Walmart in Valley, Alabama, and we took back the coffee pot, and we're gonna get another one. But first, we're just kind of looking around a little bit more, doing a little bit more shopping. Prince Jason is putting on the glass slipper on my mom. I lost my prince to my mother. Oh my goodness.
Oh, so awesome.
I mean, it just breaks my heart. Husband's face is bright red. Oh, that's so funny.
But we love it.
Hey, honey.
Oh, jeez.
Where's your mask, dear?
I had to take it off. You know, I was a little embarrassed, getting a little warm, so I needed to breathe for a minute.
Oh my goodness. All right, let's get back to it. Just a little extra sparkle. Tomorrow we are going to be taking Mom to get her COVID vaccine, and we are super excited to finally get that finished. And then we're going to also go to the Irish Bread Pub in Opelika, Alabama. So make sure you stay tuned for tomorrow's fabulous day out. We are super, super excited. Not so much for the afterwards of the shot, but we are for the fabulous day out. Are we? Alright, fabulous friends, so we are done at Walmart. So I want to show you a couple things that my mom got me. I know.
Spoiled.
Yes, I am. I love my mommy.
Me too.
So she got me some Disney Princess fabric. It's like a bundle pack with 3 of them in there, and I believe for like $1 and something. You can't beat that. So I'm really happy about that. And got me these fake Easter eggs that are white. I don't know if you can see them all that well. There you go. And you can dye them, so instead of wasting them on real eggs and then having to eat them, you can actually color them and keep them all year round. So actually all the time. Forever.
Sounds good.
So thank you so much, Mama.
You're welcome.
Oh, and then of course she got some coffee filters for her new coffee pot. Her other one, like we said in the other video, it broke. So, and she's got a brand new one upstairs, but she just doesn't want to use that one right now. So
Too fancy for that ugly kitchen.
So instead of wasting a pretty coffee pot on a yucky kitchen, she just got that to use for now. Alright, well, we're headed back to the house now, so I'm going to end my video here. I hope all of you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please comment down below and let us know how fabulous it was. And then also, please give us a big giant thumbs up, because with every thumbs up, puts a little extra sparkle in my tiara and Mom's nose. I hope all of you dream big, live your story, and I hope you all have a fabulous, fabulous day.
Absolutely.
Bye, y'all.